Hi folks, and thank you for spending some time today with me looking at this Rockwood product. It's a 2019 model 1940 limited, so it's a 1940 limited. It's got a great amount of standard features. It has a lifetime warranty on that lift system that they have because it's a very simple system they use, and that's why they can back it up like that. Also has a 5-year fabric, 5-year roof warranty. Rockwood, owned by Forest River, great company, been around for a long time, in excess of 30 years of building these folding type trailers, so you've got some history behind that. And also too, it's going to be an opportunity for you to get something lightweight, easy to tow behind a smaller tow vehicle, and it's going to also give you a lot of visibility because when that folds down, it's about 4 foot high, really gives you great visibility behind you when you're backing up and changing lanes. Let's start on the inside and we'll finish up on the outside. So on the inside of this, of course, you're going to have, this is a model 1940, it's going to be a mid-size, and a mid-size is going to be roughly around 10-foot box size. It's going to give you pretty much a double-size type bed back here, and somewhere between a king and a queen up front on that master bedroom. So it gives you plenty of sleeping, it gives you some nice space. The actual booth you see is already made out into a bed, so you can see that's pretty good size. And you also see we do have an outside grill we ordered with this particular trailer. It's going to have your inside grill, which is going to be portable, that you can take inside or out. Now that right there is stored down below, and what that is, that's going to be a 2-burner, and then you got this one here, which is going to be a propane cook area as well in a 2-burner. So you got some place here to set things. You got a couple of drawers down below here with silverware. You're going to have some cupboard space down below. Again, your bed back here, looks your little shelf you have back in there. They unzip, so it gives you a lot of room. You can unzip all these curtains and make a lot of airflow through here. That's what's nice about a tent trailer, is that you can have a lot of airflow, especially if you're somewhere in a hot climate and everything. It makes it really nice and breezy. You can cool this interior down very rapidly by doing that. Just open up a couple more curtains. It's really nice. And they all have the bug screens, of course, keep the bugs out. So you're going to have a little bit of storage in through here. Your sink, of course, is going to be a cold water sink. It's going to have a hot and cold lever, but they'll both be for cold water for you. That's how we bring these in. You're also going to have the booth that's made into a regular bed and everything. It'll have a table that folds up, and you'll be able to have that as a regular sitting area for 4 people if you need to as well. And basically, I like the way that Rockwood builds their coaches. They have really nice fit and finish to them. You have a curtain over here for privacy, and then also too, I believe there'll be privacy curtains that run across here. But if you have a question about that, for sure, give me a call. Is that I don't know if they changed it or not this year, but so you'll have some privacy across both areas, both bed areas, if you need to. But to confirm that, give me a call at that number you see at the end of the video. Let's go outside, and I'll show you some of the exterior features on this coach as well. And Guaranty's been around for 52 years, and you know, it's a great opportunity for you to get out and do some fun camping. They do on these exteriors, what I like about Rockwood is they make it Velcro here, so you can really keep things from coming out at all. And if somebody's inside there, maybe the kids playing around, they don't want to roll out accidentally, so it really makes it almost impossible to do that unless they try really, really hard to try to get out. So you also have your lift system I mentioned to you. Is a very simple lift system on this. It's a push button, and that'll bring the whole roof up there as well. And when you bring these, they're attached, these at the end, so when you pull on the strap to bring them open and closed, it makes it very easy, very user-friendly to put them in up and down. And then they have the little 4 points of where they go up here on the corners. You're going to have a, in this particular case, it's a more standard model, but even as a standard model, it still has its battery. It has the two tanks up there, the push button lift system. Again, your main 12-volt battery will be back over here. If we go back towards the back end here, you'll see it should have a spare tire, which it does have on there. And you're going to end up having they still have on their basic models, you're still going to have a one-piece roof up top. Again, this is a model 1940 limited. It's going to have again, a lifetime on that lift system. It's going to have a 5-year roof, 5-year fabric. It's got a great warranty. It's a great opportunity for you guys if you want to go out and have some fun. It's going to fold up to about a 4-foot height up there, so when you're traveling with it, about 7 foot wide. It's going to pull nicely behind a little Subaru, behind some older SUVs and some of those lighter duty tow rigs. So if you have any more questions, you'll see a number at the end of this video. Please feel free to give me a call. It's Tom.Peterson. I'd love to help. Been here 28 years at Guaranty, and it's a great opportunity for you guys to get out and have some fun with us. And remember, here at Junction City at Guaranty, it's an RV show every day.